Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I was looking for a pair of warm socks, but at the same time, something that helps with moisture. So these FITRELL socks that I came across with, I have been very happy with. What I really appreciate about these socks is how nice and thick that they are, but yet at the same time, they're thin enough to be able to go underneath dress boots when I wanted to wear them. And I could wear them on all different occasions. When I wanted to dress up and wear them with dress pants, or if I just wanted to wear them with jeans. And I especially like them and I can use them for outdoor activities. I like to be able to walk or to jog, and these worked perfect for that. And what's best of all, they come in a pack of 4 and they come in a wide variety of colors, so you can use them for any and all occasions. So if you are looking for socks that you can wear on all occasions that give you warmth, but at the same time help with moisture, I highly recommend these. I've absolutely loved them. And that is just my point of view.